Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the Hyundai Genesis is parked, engine on or accessory mode active, and Bluetooth enabled in vehicle settings. Unlock your phone, turn on Bluetooth, and set the phone to discoverable. Keep it within 3 feet of the infotainment screen to maintain signal. Charge the phone above 20% to avoid interruptions and close any apps using Bluetooth. On the Genesis screen, open Phone or Bluetooth menu and select Pairing, or Add New Device so the system is ready to detect your phone. Select Add New Device on the Genesis infotainment display and wait until your phone model appears in the list. Tap the phone name on the car screen. A PIN or 6-digit code will display on both devices. Confirm they match and accept on both the phone and car. If the phone requests a PIN and no code appears, enter 0000. After pairing, enable Phonebook and A2DP audio profiles for contacts and media. Finish by making a test call and playing a short music clip to verify both calling and audio work correctly. If pairing fails, remove old Bluetooth connections on both the phone and Genesis, then restart the phone and cycle the vehicle ignition. Try pairing again. If the car stores many devices, clear the device list when you exceed 5 paired phones to reduce conflicts. Update the Genesis infotainment software if available to fix known Bluetooth bugs. For intermittent audio dropouts, move the phone at least 1 foot from other electronics. Disable Wi-Fi assist or similar features, and avoid cases that block signal to maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.